Hi friends, in this video, let's derive the EMF equation from vector diagram. In generally, our EMF equation we know that E is equals to V plus IAZS of course. But here I am deriving EMF equation from vector diagram. For that, I am taking voltage as a reference. Voltage as a reference. In generally, for all electrical system, voltage vector is the reference vector. Next one. For example, lagging load. I am taking for lagging load. The armature current is like this. What is the angle this is? This is the power factor angle phi. When armature current is like this, then what is the armature resistive drop? Like this, in parallel to IA, this is what? IARA drop. Are you okay? Next, how we can draw the reactance drop? This IAZS nothing but IARA plus JIAXS. So the IAXS should be 90 degrees to the, what is that? 90 degrees to this IARA, right? So it should be 90 degrees to IARA. So this is my IAXS. IAXS vector. Of course, this is my IAZS. IAZS. V plus IAZS. V plus IAZS is equals to EMF E. This is the EMF E. And see, for example, take this projection here. Take this projection here exactly. Take this projection here exactly. Right? This is IARA. And this is also IARA. Are you okay? Next, see, now I want EMF E. EMF E is equals to, for example, this is O, this is point A, this is point B, this is a point C, and this is a point D, for example. O, A, B, C, D, and for example, this is point E, or this is point P, this is point P, right? So here, EMF E is equals to nothing but E, nothing but OD. This OD is equals to, see, in this triangle OBD, from the triangle OBD, OD is equals to square root of OB square plus BD square. Are you getting or not? OB square plus BD square. What is OB square? Here OB square is equals to OA plus AB square plus BD square is equals to BC plus CD square. This is the formula of EMF equation E. Can you tell me what is OA? See, from this triangle, from the triangle OAP, from the triangle OAP, OA is nothing but, OA is the adjacent angle. Yes or no? OA is the adjacent angle, adjacent of phi, and hypotenuse is V. So from this cos pi is equals to adjacent OA by hypotenuse V. So OA is equals to V cos pi. Clear? AB is equals to IARA, clear. AB is equals to IRA. And BC is equals to, we don't know BC, but we know the CD. CD is equals to IAXS, clear. Now what is BC? BC is nothing but AP. From this triangle, sine phi, is it okay? See here, is it okay? Right? Sine phi is equals to, sine phi nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite? AP. AP upon V. From this, AP is equals to V sine phi. This AP is equals to BC. So BC is equals to V sine phi. Okay, is it clear up to this? Okay, so we know OA and we know AB and we know CD and we know BC. All the values substitute there. All the values substitute there. Then you can get the EMF equation. What is EMF equation? E is equals to square root of, tell me what is OA? V cos pi plus AB IARA whole square plus BC V sin phi plus CD IAXS whole square. This is the EMF equation from the vector diagram. Are you getting or not? This is for lagging load. If it is a leading load, then you can get here minus in this equation, plus for lagging load and minus for leading load. This is the vector diagram analysis for our synchronous machine. Are you getting or not? This is very important, sir. This formula is very important, and this formula is taken from this vector diagram. You should remember this. Okay. Finally, V cos phi plus IRA whole square plus V sin phi plus or minus IAXS whole square. If unity power factor nothing but cos phi 1 sin phi 0. When cos phi 1, this is V plus IRA whole square plus, here this value is 0, so IAXS whole square. So EMF equation for unity power factor is equals to, is it okay? So V plus IARA whole square plus IAXS whole square. This is for unity power factor, because for unity power factor cos pi 1 sin phi 0. Are you okay? Right? This is simply the vector diagram analysis of synchronous machine. Right? Thank you.